Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. Where guys, uJob Lamasud Lamaning has been arrested and charged with 3 counts, which is firing a firearm in a municipal area. The second one is kidnapping, and the third one is defeating the end of justice. Kuthiwa umjida lona was having a fight or an argument no-Uber driver that led him to fire the fire. Kodwa, in a very, very restricted area. That's what had him arrested. So, manje, as we speak, he's under arrest. Vele yabo. And this Monday morning, he will show up in court so they can further discuss the whole thing and how he's going to get a bail or something. Kodwa nje ngiyayibuza ukuthi awuJob Lamasud what's going to happen to Uyajola 99? Who's going to catch them? Who's going to catch the journalist? Hayibo, happy this guy is coming from. Now he did this to cause him to go back to kanjani? Ucabange kanjani le nto mfethu to get himself to that position ukuthi aphinde futhi awele danyani. Job Lamasud Lamaning correctional sikizi. Hayi bo bafethu. Hayi bo Job ngiyamsola guys. I don't want to say no nothing.